Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to create animated GIFs using Canva in 2025 step by step. Whether it's for your website, social media or even emails, Canva makes it super easy, no design or coding experience needed. Let's get started. First of all, head over to canva.com and log in from your dashboard. Click create a design. Then select custom size. GIFs work best in standard screen sizes like 180, 180 pixel for Instagram, 1200 into 628 pixel for Facebook or Twitter, or custom dimensions for your website. You can also search GIF or animated social media post and pick a template to get started from dashboard. Then search GIF. Here it is. Canva has ton of pre-made animated templates. Click templates on the left, then search for template like funny gifts, birthday wishes, uh, promos or announcements. Then enter, choose one you like, or start with a blank canvas and add your own style. Like this, select it. Once you select a template, you can customize everything. Then click customize this template. Then you can customize everything like text, colors, images, and timing. Click on any elements like text or graphics and hit animate button. In the top bar, you will see options fade, pop, thumbnail, typewriter, neon, or drift, or even pan, rise, stomp for more dramatic effects. You can animate each item individually or click animate page or select both or one on exist. Want a multi-frame GIFs? Want a multi-frame GIF? Think of each page as a new scene. Click add page. From under the main GIFs, think click add page. Then to create a new frame, just like a slideshow, you can duplicate pages and tweak them slightly. Add new animation for every scene. Control timing from the top menu. Just click the clock icon to adjust how long each frame. Then add text here, enter your text, then animate, then select it, then effects like neon or glitch. It's then adjust the text. For GIFs, 1 to 2 seconds per frame works best. Timing. To make your GIF even more fun, use animated elements. Click on elements. For search for stickers, fireworks, or type keywords like laugh, wink, clap for graphy, for GIF style graphics. Like this. Canva integrates with GIF. So you will find a tones of ready to use animation perfect for reaction, GIFs or names. Click to play. Add top to preview your animation. Want to slow it down or speed it up? Click on each page, then hit clock icon. You can also drag and drop scenes to reorder them. Keep things between 3 to 10 seconds. You can write here, then enter. Total for a good loopable GIFs. When you are happy with your GIF or GIF, click share in the top right, then choose download. From the file type menu, select GIF. Make sure all pages are selected, loop animation is checked, then hit download and Canva will generate your animated GIFs. And that's how you create awesome animated GIFs into Canva 2025, fast, easy and fun. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up, drop your favorite GIF idea in the comments, and subscribe for more Canva and content creation tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.